Pondering how to shed those extra pounds and enhance your overall health without stepping out of your home? Well, you've come to the right place. The first step in your weight loss journey is to pay attention to what you eat. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your meals. These wholesome foods, packed with nutrients yet low in calories, can be a game changer for your weight loss plans. A helpful tip is to fill half your plate with these colorful and nutritious foods at every meal. Moving on, let's talk about portion control. It's all too easy to overindulge when you're within arm's reach of your fridge. Using smaller plates and bowls can help you manage your portions better. Also, remember to eat slowly and relish each bite. This simple habit can help you feel more satisfied and put a stop to overeating. Hydration is another vital part of the weight loss equation. Regularly sipping on water throughout the day keeps your body functioning optimally and wards off overeating. Here's a fun fact. Sometimes our bodies can mistakenly interpret thirst as hunger. Keeping yourself well hydrated can help you avoid unnecessary snacking. Diet alone won't cut it. Regular physical activity is an integral part of any weight loss plan. The good news is you don't need a swanky gym membership or high-end equipment to work out. A brisk walk or jog around your neighborhood, bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups, or a fun workout video online can all get your heart pumping and calories burning. And last but not least, ensure you're getting enough sleep. Lack of quality sleep can throw your hormones off balance and spike your cravings for unhealthy foods. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to support your weight loss efforts. By adhering to these tips and making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals right at home. Remember, consistency is key. Don't lose heart if results don't show up immediately. With time, patience, and dedication, you can cultivate a healthy, happy lifestyle you've always desired. So there you have it, the blueprint for successful weight loss right from your home. Keep your focus on a balanced diet, portion control, hydration, regular exercise, and quality sleep. These steps, when followed consistently, can lead you to the healthier, happier version of yourself. Stay committed, stay patient, and most importantly, stay positive. Your weight loss journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy health journey!